Thank you, Kenji.
Happy birthday, John and Els. May God bless you.
Ako po yun.
Ay, happy birthday!
Tsaka misis ko, magkasabay kami.
Ay, talaga. Happy birthday sa misis niya. Ano pangalan ng misis mo? Eh, sila nga dalawa yun eh. Kanain mo yun. Bye! Happy birthday!
Okay po. Thank you, Mama. Kuya June, tsaka Ate Ems, happy birthday to you. Sana makapag-date kayo na maayos, matapos na ang agad taping. At I hope you get to celebrate your birthday with your family and with your loved ones. Happy birthday po and God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Kay Ate Ems.
Ate Ems, happy birthday po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. I hope you're doing well, you're doing fine. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi.
Yun. Ikaw rin
Kayo din, happy birthday, Kuya.
Yes, powers. Powers, madam.
Yes,
Powers yan.
yes.
Yun. Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Ingat po kayo.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Kenji.
Bye-bye po!
Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you.
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday! Grabe itong dalawa na po to. Sobrang sila po yung nag-support sa amin ni Jillian. Yung family po nila. Ang wish ko sana lagi sila and healthy everyday kasama yung buong pamilya niyo po. And sana hindi ko masawa sa amin ni Jillian. I love you guys. Happy birthday!